Hey, welcome back to the channel for another video. So do you ever have that moment where you finally think that you've got your setup dialed in, audio's on point, studio's looking clean, and then boom, something better just kicks open the door like the Kool-Aid man and screams, "Hey, listen to me." Yeah, that happened. Kind of. You may notice that once again, things look a bit different. A little chef's kiss. Grab a coffee and let's dive in. So I'm minding my own business the other day, probably editing and making questionable life choices as usual, when I get an email. It's from a company called Hertber, and they tell me that they specialize in acoustic foam panels. Different shapes, different sizes, whole pack of them. And they go, "Hey Jeff, want to check out some panels?" At first I'm like, I just tested some acoustic foam panels. I'm happy. Leave me alone, universe. But then that little voice pops up, the voice that convinced us to buy mirrorless cameras. And it's like, what if these are better? So of course I said yes. So next thing you know, Hertber ships me a pack of 24 self-adhesive 12 by 12 panels. Each one's 2 inches thick, covering 24 square feet total. Basically enough foam to build a small soundproof foam fort if I ever decide to run away from adulthood. Now they arrive vacuum sealed, exactly as you'd expect, because shipping that's got to be a nightmare. And normally they take about a day to fully expand. But these have high resilience foam with a density of 25 kilograms, meaning that they pop back into shape crazy fast. Like faster than I pop back into shape after eating an entire pizza. And honestly, you don't even need to hit them with a hairdryer unless you're impatient like me. Now what's interesting is that these Hertber panels, they have this unique groove shaped design. Now that doesn't sound like much, but that groove, it massively increases the contact surface with sound waves, meaning that they help control echo, standing waves, and keeping your studio from sounding like a bathroom way better than pyramid foam does. And I heard it immediately. The sound from my recent videos? Good, but not great. You could hear some echo, and I had to EQ the life out of it like I was saving a dying patient. Does this make a difference? Hopefully it does. Hopefully all this makes a huge difference. I think that needs to come closer. Maybe in more. Test, test, test. Hopefully there's not as much echo. Test. Some clap. Clap, clap, test, test. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Hopefully that's good. With these though, dude, the reverb dropped like a rock. Instantly cleaner, warmer, and more controlled. The installation was dead simple. Each panel already had adhesive on the back. Just peel the craft paper, slap it on the wall, and done. Well, for normal people. You see, I rent, so destroying the walls is not on my 2025 goals list. So instead, I mounted foam core on my walls first, then stuck the panels to that. Boom, problem solved. And as a bonus, I can move them whenever I want. Now you can rotate the panels in different directions to make the wall look like some modern art piece, and in my opinion, it looks pretty sweet. And the best part, the foam is non-toxic polyurethane, totally safe, and you can cut it into any size to fit narrow or weird spots around your studio. And these panels are pretty legit. And they look better, they sound better, and they perform better. And they made an immediate difference in my sound. So if you do podcasts, voiceovers, YouTube videos, anything where sound actually matters, these panels are absolutely worth checking out. I'll leave some links down in the description. So drop me your comments. Just let me know if you hear a difference. And if that difference is better or worse. So make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell for more videos. Also, my new photo print collection is finally available on my website, so head over to jeff-gresham.com to check those out and grab one or two, as well as my Lightroom presets pack. And until next time, get out and shoot. And I will see you again in the next video. Peace out.